Are you looking for an affordable front-load washer that cleans effectively, uses less energy, and fits your budget? In this video, we present affordable front-load washers offering good washing capacity, several useful programs, and solid energy efficiency. All the links are available in the description below. For successful everyday laundry, it is important to choose an affordable front-load washer suited to your household and your needs. We have selected the 3 best affordable front-load washers on the market. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for our next home appliance comparisons. Here are the 3 best affordable front-load washers, from the most budget-friendly model to the most premium option. First, the Aloewxxr 5.0 Chew. Featuring front-load washer combines modern design with powerful performance at an affordable price. Finished in sleek black stainless steel, it brings a premium look to any laundry room. The super speed wash cycle completes loads in just 28 minutes, making it ideal for busy households. Steam cleaning technology helps loosen and remove tough stains while being gentle on fabrics. With intuitive digital controls, customizing each wash is simple and precise. The durable stainless steel drum is built for long-term reliability while protecting clothes during every cycle. Spacious, efficient, and stylish, this washer delivers strong cleaning power without compromising convenience or value. Next, the Thalvar THV-WD50 LED washer and dryer combo offers a smart, space-saving all-in-one solution. With a generous 5.0 cubic feet capacity, this front-load unit handles large loads while eliminating the need for separate machines, perfect for apartments, RVs, and compact homes. Its 12-cycle selections allow you to tailor washing and drying settings for everything from delicates to heavy-duty fabrics. The easy-to-read LED display makes operation simple and intuitive, while the large drum accommodates bulky items like blankets and comforters. By combining wash and dry functions in one efficient system, it saves time, space, and effort, streamlining your entire laundry routine. Finally, the Equator Advanced Appliances EU835P front-load washer is a compact yet feature-rich solution designed for apartments and smaller spaces. With a 1.9 cubic feet capacity, it includes versatile cycles such as sanitize, allergen, quick 20-minute wash, and a dedicated pet cycle to effectively remove pet hair. Its 1,400 RPM spin speed enhances water extraction for faster drying times. Operating quietly under 60 decibels, it's ideal for shared living spaces or night use. Smart technology automatically adjusts water levels based on load size, improving efficiency. Built with a stainless steel drum, child lock, and user-friendly LED display, this 110 volts washer balances performance, safety, and energy savings in a compact design. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.